typically found between 0 and 10 degrees on the omniplane. The mid-esophageal four-chamber view is the most conceptually obvious image that we obtain, and it provides lots of information. The ideal image involves maximizing the tricuspid annulus diameter as well as the mitral annulus diameter, while also avoiding foreshortening of the LV. Typically, while in the four-chamber view, one should again place color Doppler on the tricuspid valve to interrogate for tricuspid regurgitation from a different angle. Next, begin evaluation of the mitral valve by placing color Doppler on it. We begin our diastolic evaluation in this view also by interrogating the mitral inflow to the LV. This involves placing pulse wave Doppler gate at the tip of the mitral leaflets during diastole. Interpretation of the resultant E and A waves that are obtained will help in quantifying the patient's diastolic function. Next, using TDI and placing pulse wave gate on the lateral mitral annulus, we acquire an E prime that will further aid in our diastolic evaluation. Lastly, chamber quantification is readily performed in the four-chamber view, allowing for measurement of ventricular diameters during systole and diastole.